Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making spicy pineapple drink. What I need: pineapple, bell pepper, lime, and I need my ginger. Firstly, I'll start by washing my pineapple. Wash it properly. You don't want any sand on it. Done with washing, time to cut my pineapple. Do you know the back of pineapple skin is very rich in vitamin C and fights bacteria? Yes, it does. The skin of pineapple can also be used for pineapple tea. So if you're not a lover of pineapple, start thinking twice. Pineapple's got so many health benefits. Once I'm done with my pineapple, it's time to move to the next ingredient, which is my bell pepper. So I'll be using half of this bell pepper to make my pineapple drink. For the ginger, I just need a little bit. I will deskin it and put it together with the other ingredients. For the lime, I'll cut it in 4 and add it together with the other ingredients. In here is the back of my pineapple skin. I'll add 1000 ml of water and bring it to a boil. So the water is what I'll use to make my peppered pineapple drink. Time to blend my ingredients. So this is the water from the boiled pineapple skin. Time to blend. all done. It's time to use my cheesecloth to separate the residue from the liquid. I just love the color of this drink. I just love it. Sometimes it's good to invent something. You know, this pineapple and bell pepper drink invented by Andy Space. So what I'm doing at the moment is trying to squeeze out the drink from the residue. You can use any method of your choice, but I prefer to use cheesecloth. For a little bit of sweetness, I added honey. This is optional. I will go ahead and stir my bell pepper pineapple drink very well, and it's all ready. Do you know all the ingredients used for this recipe all have their different health benefits? One secret about this drink, it cleans the body system. Is a must try pineapple and bell pepper drink. Have come to the end of today's video. Please remember to like the video, share the video, and leave me a beautiful comment. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.